Today, we're diving into a really interesting topic: how energy and knowledge play a key role in shaping not only our personal lives, but also society as a whole. Ever thought about how the energy we put out in our relationships or work has a larger impact?
Absolutely. It's fascinating, really. It's like a law of nature almost, like the law of mass. The more energy or knowledge you invest, the greater the results, right? The most profound impact happens when we understand how this process works, especially in the context of raising children or shaping future generations.
Right? You're talking about how parents unknowingly influence their kids' future just by how they manage their own energy. For example, not giving direct advice, but setting an example through their actions or silence. That's a form of energy transfer, in a way, isn't it?
Exactly. It's like when a parent doesn't say anything but their actions speak volumes. That energy flows down, either positively or negatively. It's a fascinating dynamic, and yet, people often overlook this subtle energy flow. It's automatic, not even conscious most of the time.
And that's the tricky part. People tend to think love or care can only be expressed in obvious ways, like buying things or giving advice. But sometimes the absence of certain actions speaks louder. It's the unspoken energy that counts.
It's almost like the energy you give out accumulates, and it has to go somewhere, right? If you don't consciously direct it, it just flows. Sometimes to the next generation, sometimes elsewhere. It's like a cycle.
So the key question then becomes, are we intentionally guiding that energy, or are we just letting it spill over without realizing the consequences? This is especially true when we think about raising kids or managing um, our own future.
Yes, and that's where the idea of knowledge comes into play. If we're not equipped with the right tools or wisdom, how can we properly channel that energy? It's like you said earlier, without understanding the value of something, we can't see its potential.
Exactly, which brings us to the importance of broadening our perspective. Like the example of choosing a career or a job, it's not just about picking what's trendy or popular at the moment. We have to anticipate where society is going and align our actions with those future needs.
Yes, and sometimes that future is hard to predict. It's about seeing beyond what's right in front of us. Like when industries evolve and change, the popular job markets of today might not be the ones thriving in the future. Being prepared means knowing how to navigate this transition.
And the economy, the world of work, will always need new skill sets. So those who can see beyond the current trends, like the tech fields today, will be the ones who shape the next phase of our society.
Right. And let's not forget the value of social welfare systems. As much as people talk about the importance of tech and industry, I think we need to talk about how future generations will need to manage social systems, how we care for people, how we distribute resources. That's where we might find true long-term wealth.
I agree. If we can understand the importance of welfare and its role in society, we're setting up the future to be sustainable. It's not just about building the biggest tech empire or making the most money, it's about ensuring a fair and compassionate society.
Exactly. And in terms of legacy, it's not just about financial wealth. It's about leaving behind a sustainable system where future generations can thrive, understanding the balance of energy and knowledge that needs to be passed on.
And that brings us back to the central idea. The real wealth we pass down isn't just material, it's the wisdom to manage energy, to understand knowledge, and to act with foresight. It's about creating a lasting impact that goes beyond immediate returns.
Yeah, it's this idea of nurturing the right values in the next generation. Like you said, a wise parent doesn't just give material things. They help their child understand what energy is worth, how to channel it, and how to make it meaningful.
Exactly. And that's the big takeaway. To create a world that lasts, we need to focus on long term energy flows, whether it's the wisdom we pass down or the choices we make today. If we invest in the right knowledge and the right values, we're setting up a future that's not just financially wealthy, but truly abundant in every sense.
Well said. It's all about preparing for what's ahead. It's not just about surviving today, it's about shaping a future that's ready for tomorrow's challenges. And that's a legacy worth building.
Absolutely, a legacy we all can contribute to. So let's continue thinking ahead and ensuring we're guiding not just ourselves, but those who come after us.
Absolutely. The future's in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.